How to make a private server public in Roblox. So here I'm on the homepage of Roblox. I'll scroll and find a game that I want to make a private server for you. Want to do the same thing here. We will go to servers and then click on create a private server. Now we need to set a name for this server, so I'll do test server, and then I'll select by now depending on whether the server private server is free or not. Yeah, it might cost 25 Robux, but this game has free private servers. Now what we're going to do is get this chess server, click on the three dots, and then go to configure now here. If we want to make it public, what we're going to do is we're going to click on friends allowed, and we can also add specific server members here. So if I click on ADD people, I can search for people, and I can add them by username here to my server. And we can also generate a link, and if we copy this link by pressing on this paper sheet icon, then this is going to copy the link itself, and we can give it to people in our chat here, for example. This person, I can give them the link, and if they click on it, they can join the private server. So that's how you make your private server public in Roblox. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.